I created video from the several my video lessons. Actually, this is real lesson what I give to my students, and this video like around 40 minutes, and total all these videos on YouTube having maybe more than 800,000 views. And I can give you a link to this video. It will cost you $20. $20 you should send to my PayPal account on my email otv7gmail.com. You will find my email in the comments or on the description and on the screen also. So $20 affordable. This $20 will give you possibility to pass driving test first time, and I am almost sure about that. I took the best video lesson and the best from my lesson what I have like from my experience what I given to my students during this almost 10 years what I do in driving as like as instructors, working as driving instructor and doing driving lessons. And it will essentially increase your ability to drive and your ability to pass driving test from first time. What you will have in this video lesson, again, it's 40 minutes video lesson that actually consists my 5 like most popular on YouTube video lessons, and you will get there parallel parking, in detail explanation, what measurement I used to know if I close to curb or I far from curb, what measurement I used to be sure if I close to car behind me or I far from the car behind me. You will have a video lesson how to do K-turn, how to proper do K-turn. You will have this in the same video on the K-turn. It has in YouTube more than 200,000 views only alone, and I have a lot of letters from any part of the world. I'm sorry to be unmodest, but this is true. You can check it by yourself. Go to my site on YouTube, you will find it. Many people, by the way, stealing my video and use it at any place. In some places I find them and push them to delete it, sometimes not. Okay, no big deal. But you get also the video about how to interact with other drivers when you're doing K-turn. You will get video on the blind spot, how to find that car coming in your blind spot and you don't see it. This is very important, and you will not find, actually, unfortunately, you will not find nothing similar on YouTube today or in the net today at all. Again, you need practice, of course. This video will not replace your practice lesson, but with this video, your practice lesson will be a lot more effective. That's why, because I have knowledge, because I have ability to explain very clear and understandable, that's why most of my students passing driving test from first time. And from this, like, then you watch this video and you will get link, and you can watch it anytime, how many you want. You can give it to your friends, whatever. And with this video, your driving lesson will be a lot more effective, even with instructor who, unfortunately, it can be like that also, unfortunately, cannot explain you or simply don't want to explain you some very important detail in driving, or simply he tired having, like, I don't know, to survive having 10 lessons a day. So thanks God I have no this problem, and I recommend you take this video, just $20, but this $20 will save you 100 bucks. Trust me. I have a lot of students that coming to me after they failed driving test, after they already taken like 5, 7, some of them 12, 14 driving lesson, and coming to me absolutely frustrated, and I work with them 3, 4 lessons, they're ready for test. Good luck.